Today we're going to talk about the top 5 winning products. It's summertime and the weather is getting hotter, and what's great about the selection of products is not only will they be relevant in June, but they'll also be relevant in July and August as well. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Now starting off with the first winning product is these heart earbuds. Now this product looks very interesting. It's basically Bluetooth earbuds shaped like a heart. And trust me, there is actually a market for this. So if we have a look at this video on TikTok about this product, the video went viral and got over 600,000 views. It also got over 100,000 likes and just under 10,000 saves, which is actually a crazy amount. This just shows the interest in this product. And if we have a look at some of these comments, it looks like people do want it. So let's go on to the dropshipper's website for this product. Now they've called their product Heartbeat, which I think is a great name to be fair. Just briefly, I don't think the website is that great. There's too many variations of the product and just way too many images on the site. Now these guys are selling this product for $59.99, which is what headphones usually go for anyway. So now let's see how much AliExpress is selling the same product for. Now on AliExpress, this product is being sold for $2.56. which is crazy. The profit margin is roughly $57 per product sold. I genuinely think if you guys were able to take advantage of this product and sell it on your store, you'll be able to make some good money. Now all the products on this list are winning products. However, there is no use of having winning products if you can't advertise it well. For example, this product got over 600,000 views on TikTok, and that's also because the video was done well. Now if you want to get sales, your videos around the product need to be good too. That can not only go viral but can also convert. Otherwise what will happen is that you'll just end up wasting so much money on ads. And this is where the sponsor of the video, Viral Ecom Adz, comes in. Viral Ecom Adz creates viral videos around your product. This can in turn generate you some crazy sales. I have used them personally for many years and have made some crazy money because of their videos. If you want to take dropshipping seriously, then you need to use Viral Ecom Adz. They are honestly the best in the game. So if we go onto their website, so now you can see these are some of their packages. They have the Meta split testing package, they have a TikTok split testing ad package as well, and others like the Meta ad package and TikTok shop affiliate package too. And they also do UGC ads for Meta and TikTok as well. So if we click on the TikTok ad package, you'll get 3 ad variations for the same product, which is ideal for TikTok because it will find the one that works the best for you. Over here you can choose your quantity, you can then add some text or voiceover, and they're guaranteed to deliver your video in 1 to 3 business days. And it's extremely easy to order these. You've just got to place your order, fill in a form, you'll then receive the videos, and if you're not happy with them, they'll revise them for you. And once you get your videos back, you can then start using them. So now let me show you an example for a few seconds of a video they've done for me.
Introducing the Auto Face Tracking Tripod. Say goodbye to the struggle of finding the perfect angle for your videos.
Now you can see how good the first few seconds of that video was. All their videos turn out to be amazing. And again, I've used these guys in the past to scale my dropshipping stores to 5 figures. Don't test ads with videos already out there, because what will happen is that you'll just end up burning through money. So instead of wasting money doing that, make sure you get your video packages from Viral Ecom Adz and use this code on the screen for 15% off. Now the next winning product is this inflatable water spray pad. Now this is perfect for summer. And what's great about this is not only is it for kids, but it's also great for dog owners. So if we watch this video, it basically shows the product and it shows dogs enjoying this product. I think the video is made well, to be honest. Now if we just briefly look at the comments, we can see a lot of people like this product and want it for their own pets. Now pet products are quite good generally because people have an emotional connection to their pets. So selling a product like this will definitely do well. Now let's have a look at a dropshipper's website for this product. So the website is called Smiling Paws, which I think is a very good name. And they are selling them in 3 different sizes. So the small one is $49.99. The medium one is $59.99. And the large one is $69.99. And just from the pricing straight away, I can tell that the profit margins are extremely high. Now I searched the same product on AliExpress. The small one is going for essentially $1. The medium one is going for $4.76. And the large one is only going for $15.54. So you can see how massive the profit margins are. And again, especially with this product, you can make a lot of money. Now the third winning product is this Baby Float swim trainer. Again, this is perfect for summer. Now looking at the video, it genuinely looks like a very good product. It basically allows your child to swim safely. It has an anti-flip design and an upgraded safety harness system. It's leak proof and quick drying. It literally has so many benefits. Now this product is good because it solves a problem, and because it solves a problem, customers need it rather than want it. So let's have a look at a competitor's website for this product. So they have called it 2024 Smart Swim Trainer. The website is good. I like how they've shown that it's been advertised on these trusted platforms. It's a very smart thing to do because customers end up trusting you more. Now they're advertising it for $100 $118.99. And now if we go onto AliExpress, you can see that they're selling it for only $22.70. Again, the profit margins are extremely high with this one. You'll be earning nearly $100 profit per sale. A very, very good product, which is again perfect for summer. Now let's move on to the fourth winning product, which are these solar powered garden lights. Now these garden lights look amazing, to be honest. These are waterproof and durable. They'll light up automatically and enhance the look of your garden. They charge during the day and light up at night, again, which is perfect for summer. So on their website, they are selling this product for $59.90 for a 4-pack. You can also purchase an 8-pack at a discount for only $79.90 or a 12-pack for $99.90. It's always good having multiple options, and having extra packs discounted always helps with converting. They also suggest other similar products, which is again very good for upselling. So let's check out how much you can get the same product for on AliExpress. So on AliExpress, you can get 8-piece solar lights for only $6.33. And these guys are selling it for $79.90. That is a profit margin of over $73 per product sold. Again, a very good product to sell. Now the final product on this list is this foldable cat hammock. Now what's good about this is that you don't need cat trees taking up a ton of space. These hammocks are great for your cats, and all you have to do is suction cup them to your windows. And what's great about these is that they can also fold away too. They can also support a lot of weight, up to 40 pounds, which is basically 2 fat cats. It's extremely easy to uninstall and reinstall too. As I mentioned earlier, whenever it comes to pet products, they're always good to sell because people have an emotional connection to them. So now let's have a look at a competitor's website for this product. Now the website looks very good and very simple. It has a few gifts on the side and below. Overall, I think it's a great website. They also have a section with products they're upselling by saying it pairs well with them. I personally think that's a great touch. So now they are selling the regular plush hammock for $32.99. And they are selling the large plush hammock for $36.99. So now let's go on to AliExpress and see how much they're selling it for. So on AliExpress, this same product is being sold for $3.86. That means they have a profit margin of roughly $28. Not the biggest by any stretch, but I think they could easily increase the price to $49.99. But again, as I mentioned earlier, these type of products are extremely easy to sell. So again, a great product to sell, which you can make some good money on. Now, all of these products that I've mentioned today are winning products. And if you're looking to start drop shipping for the first time, then you can use any of these products for June, July, and August. And trust me, you can easily make a lot of money. Also, make sure you check out Viral Ecom Adz if you want videos created around these products. The link is below in the description. If you are looking at more winning products and you are looking to start drop shipping and you want to be around a network of people who are making money online, who can help and guide you with dropshipping, including one-to-one support with myself, then make sure to join my Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. We have multiple groups on affiliate marketing, YouTube, TikTok, dropshipping, and so much more. Again, the link will be in the description below. And if you're unsure whether you want to join or not, make sure you book in a free call with myself and we can go over how we can help you. I've also scaled the store to $2,000 in only 2 days. So if you do want to watch that video, make sure you click just over here and I'll see you guys there.